like, ooh, 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 ooh. Flower queen. It's up, you guys. It's Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome and thanks for joining. Today I'm continuing my Sparktober video series, and we're making a fairy costume. I'm super excited. So basically I just had this purple wig that I got off Amazon like a while ago just for fun, and I was looking at it and I'm like, you know what, let's build a costume off of it. So it's like a sugar plum fairy purple flower inspired. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it just like as it goes. So yeah, enough rambling and let's get into it. So basically this is everything you're gonna need. This is for the skirt bit. It's just some tulle and some elastic. Then I got this corset from Amazon. And then we're just gonna cover it in flowers that I also got from Walmart. I'm gonna use hot glue to stick the stuff on here. You can go ahead and use like E6000 glue, which is super easy to use as well. I just couldn't find mine. I got the idea to use a corset from Amber Scholl. She does such awesome DIYs, and then she always uses like corsets and stuff for her DIYs, and it looks super easy. So instead of like remaking a whole thing, I just decided to try and follow that template. Anyways, that's basically all you need, so let's get into it. Okay, so basically I just got like a bunch of these flowers from Walmart. They were on sale, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the flower off the stem like that and pull them off. Also, I'm gonna cut this little bit off so that it sits flat on the corset when we glue it down. So go ahead and pull all your flowers off the stem. Here we go. So I just did the front bit. I didn't worry about the back. And I put the straps up here, kind of symmetrical a little bit. And I think it looks great. Also, it matches my pajamas, and I'm super excited about that. All right, now we're gonna move on to making the skirt. Okay, so I decided to put this on and show you guys. I love it. The only thing that I didn't realize with the corset is like it goes down a little bit. And so I'm not really sure how I'm gonna put the skirt on, but I think it looks great. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this into strips and then glue it under here and put it onto the back of this, so it's like a dress without elastic. So we won't use the elastic, we'll just cut this up into strips. Okay, so I just finished cutting up all the strips, and I just folded it, folded the material more so that it was easier to cut up. But basically, they're just like these very long strips, and we're gonna just glue them together so that it's like not see-through. Like, see, if there's enough layers, you won't be able to see through them. Oh, another really quick thing. So instead of having like a big strip like this in order to glue, I just went ahead and tied a knot onto this. So just make sure that it's even on the bottom, or relatively even, and then just go ahead and like make it smaller in the top tie it up like so. Doesn't have to be pretty, because then we're going to go ahead and glue this onto there like that. Okay, so I ran out of the purple tool, this one, and I just have a small section. So I found this like bluish one, and it looks good together. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these into strips and basically do the same thing with the blue, and then just stick it in so it kind of like blends in a little bit better. Yeah, so I guess I would need 2 packs of the tool instead of just 1. Note to self for next time. Okay, so I'm just about finished. I ran out of the blue, and so I just used the white, so it's just a lot of improvising. But if you want it to be all the same color like the purple, then just make sure that you get enough of the tool to cover it over. So now I'm gonna try it on and show you guys the final look. Ta-da! So I love it. I think it looks great. The only thing is I definitely need more of the tool, but I just have like little exercise shorts under it and it works out. Also, the back is like white and blue and purple, which it ended up working out that I had a bunch, but here it is. So now I'm gonna go stick on the wig and everything and then show you guys from the front. Here is the completed look. I've got purple eyes, purple hair. I did a little headband, and then the body bits. Like, I think I look so fancy. I love it. I feel adorable. Yeah, obviously the top bit is my favorite. Like, look at all these flowers. The skirt could have been a bit better, like it could have more. Just next time I go to the store, I'm just gonna pick up some more so that I can stick it on and it'll be wearable outside of my house. Yes, other than that, I think I'm done. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crazy content. I'm really enjoying doing these videos. If you guys are enjoying watching them, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, all my socials are @SparklingAlex, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!